Hello, this is Michael Fiery. I'm excited to share an announcement with you today. When I started the Field Tech Academy YouTube channel 3 years ago, my mission was to teach IT contract technicians about this entire industry. That included sharing real service call examples and technical tips and tricks that I've learned over the last 30 years being in the trenches doing IT service contract work just like you. In addition to purely technical information, I wanted to teach you about the industry and about the clients. That included direct contract clients and platforms like workmarket and Field Nation and CloudWork Pro, how to understand their systems, maximize your income, and have the greatest amount of success. My direct client package has been providing information on direct contract clients that operate nationwide and provide service calls to technicians like you all across the country in your local area. The next logical progression in this journey is to go from just teaching you about this industry to offering a real, tangible tool that can help you to better run your IT contracting business. When you're working with all these marketplaces and direct clients that operate in all these different ways, one of the biggest challenges is trying to keep everything organized. Some direct clients don't have a technician website and they operate strictly by emailing out their dispatches, and you have to email in your invoices and your billing. Some clients do have a website, but it looks like it was built in 1999. Then you've got the marketplace platforms like workmarket, CloudWork Pro, Field Nation, and those are excellent sources of income. They're pretty decent, but of course, all three of them are very different and very unique. It's challenging enough when you try to do this on your own as an independent tech, but if you actually start trying to hire technicians and teach them all of these systems and the nuances of all of these little platforms and sites, it can become a real mess. Throughout my 30 years in this industry, I've tried everything I can think of to try to make things more manageable for myself and when I've had technicians working for me. I tried using a Microsoft Access database that I kind of customized, paper procedures, spreadsheets, shared Google Docs, Google Drive to try to archive deliverables, files, and photos. And I've tried different generic CRM software programs or websites to try to manage, my clients and my technicians and my tickets and vehicle maintenance and payroll and all these things. And those things worked okay, but they just didn't work for our industry. I finally got fed up with trying to Frankenstein all these different systems, and I built my own system. Today I'm excited to share with you the Service Envoy Field Management web app. It has been a massive undertaking to try to organize all of these scattered systems into one functional place. There are some absolute limitations that just can't be overcome, but I'm excited to have integrated everything that I have into the Service Envoy web app. It's going to make the chaos so much easier to manage for you, whether you're a solo tech or whether you have a small team working with you. The Service Envoy web app is special because it's something that I have built as a tech in the industry for techs in the industry. I'm personally using the Service Envoy web app to run my own business. So as I'm seeing new challenges or things that could be tweaked or ways to improve it, I'm going to be doing that. It brings everything together, from your client information to ticketing information to tracking your billing to keeping track of your vehicles, and that includes mileage and maintenance and your employees or just your vendors. There's an internal check-in and check-out system so you can track all of your tickets, not just the ones on Field Nation or workmarket where they have a check-in and check-out system. There's an employee time clock, there's payroll tracking, and you can use it to track your employee performance metrics. And there's a lot more that I don't have time to go into all the detail on in this one video. What I'm rolling out today is obviously version 1.0. And it's not perfect. I still have pages of notes of things that I want to add or things that I want to polish. But if I waited for perfection, it would never get released. So away we go. I've even integrated all of the direct client package information into the new web app. Now, when you buy a direct client package, all of the direct clients, their contacts, their email addresses, all of the exclusive training videos and files are going to automatically be synced over to your profile. and then you'll have total control of it. You can go in and make edits, you can add additional clients, you'll be ready to go without having to manually enter a bunch of data. We even add Field Nation, WorkMarket, CloudWork Pro, all the platforms as well. We even have an update system. So when you buy the package for a period of time, you'll receive free updates. So if I end up adding another client or adding additional files or anything that's related to the direct client package, it will automatically sync over to you and it'll notify you to let you know that it's there. The Service Envoy web app has plans for solo techs, guys that are just working on their own, or for companies that have a couple of employees or even larger teams. Every web app plan comes with a fully functional 30-day free trial and no credit card required. The direct client packages aren't included in the free trial. They're an information product that, can't be unseen once you've seen it. They are a separate but optional purchase. And you can use the Service Envoy web app any way you want to. You can just do a web app service plan by itself. You could do a direct client package by itself, or you can combine both of them together for the most power. I'm posting video tutorials about this Service Envoy web app so you understand all the features and how everything works on the Service Envoy YouTube channel. I'll put a link to that in the description. Now don't worry, Field Tech Academy is not going anywhere. I'm still going to be posting content about the IT Field Tech industry to educate and provide as much free information as I can. Go ahead and visit serviceenvoy.com right now to view the different service plans, the different features, and to start your free trial. No card required, just kick the tires and see if it fits or improves your workflow. Worst case scenario, you may find out it's just not for you. Best case scenario, it may just improve your entire workflow and make your business more efficient. Drop a comment on the video. What are some of the biggest challenges that you face trying to run an IT contracting business? Maybe it's a feature that I could add to the Service Envoy web app that may help other people. If you enjoy content like this, please like the video and subscribe to the Field Tech Academy YouTube channel. And of course, hop over to the Service Envoy YouTube channel and like and subscribe there for information on the web app. And finally, like I always say, let's get you out in the field making money. I'll see you in the next video.